Hello football coaches and football players, my name is Football Coach Allen and today I'm going to give you some split flag football plays. So hello everyone, my name is Football Coach Allen. On this channel I show you football plays, drills, and skills, so if you like that stuff, hit that like button and subscribe button. Anyways, today I'm giving you some split football. I'm going to say basketball once in a while because I do run a Basketball Coach Allen channel, so go check that out if you like basketball. But anyways, let's get down to the clipboard and let's check out these football plays. So in our first play, what we are looking to do, this is called the T-pass, and what we are going to do is have player 5, obviously he's going to get the ball back to player 1. Player 1 is then going to have the ball passed back to the running back. The running back is going to go out to his right side. We're going to have player 5 go up 5 yards and 45-degree angle out to his left. Player 3 is going to go up 10 yards and then a 45-degree angle out to his right. And then what's going to happen with player 4 is he's going to do 10 yards ahead, and then he's going to cut back down towards the line of scrimmage. And what's going to happen here, player 1 is going to then, after that handoff, go out to the left side. The number 1 option is player 4. If nobody is open, player 2 could run it downfield, but he is also looking to look up and hit up player 3 with a pass if he can as well. So those are the two main options in this play. Okay, so now in this second play, what we are looking to do is have player 1 is supposed to have that ball. Player 2 is going to then be cutting up towards the line of scrimmage and then past the line of scrimmage. We're going to have player 5 go up towards the line of scrimmage and out towards his right side. We're going to have player 4 do the same thing, up about 10 yards and out towards his right side, 45-degree angle. And we're going to have player 3, he is going to be cutting back down, and player 1 is going to hand off the ball to player 3. Player 3 is going to continue back, and he's going to be looking for player 5 or 4 downfield for what should be hopefully an open pass. If not, he does have player 1 leaking up, and he has player 2 and player 1 as options, or he could just run the football himself depending on how the defense is playing him. Now this next play is a sweep left, and what's going to happen is these 3 players are all 45-degree angle out towards the right sideline. Player 2 is then going to be cutting up. Player 1 is going to pass the ball back to player 2, who's going to continue up the field. What we're hoping for is these 3 players to draw the defense over to that right side so that this side of the field is open to run. Now this next play is a draw play. It's very simple. Basically, we're going to have player 3 and 4 go up 10 yards and cut towards the sideline, and player 5 is going to be running straight downfield. Player 2 is going to run up, get that ball passed to him from player 1, and he's going to run up the field as far as he can. Now, if this is a blocking league, this last play is definitely for you. What we are looking to do is have player 5 go up and block. Player 3 is then going to be going up about 10 yards and going out towards the right sideline at a 45-degree angle. And we're going to have player 4 10 yards up and 90-degree angle towards the sideline. Next, we're going to have a fake handoff to player 2. And player 2 is then going to be running the line of scrimmage. And what we're looking to do here is now have player 1 run out to that right side and hitting up one of these 3 players who are downfield. Anyways, I hope that these flag football plays help your 5-on-5 team. If they do, let us know in the comments below. And I will see you guys in our next video. I try my best to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.